Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I just received my last Etsy order that I placed about 2 weeks ago to restart my cash envelope stuffing journey and my budgeting journey. So I just wanted to share with you all what I got from Etsy. And these shops I will have linked below in the in my description if anyone is interested. So first I will start with I actually showed these in my last cash stuffing video I posted, I believe 2 days ago. This was the first order that I got. And so I got these from EZ Budgets. Her handle on Etsy is just the letters EZ and then Budgets. So that, I don't know why that's over here. But the first thing I got was these 2025 Friday trackers. So if you can see here, you have every Friday in, this one is for the first 6 months of the year and this one is for the other half of the 6 months of the year. And so I completed January and February. So I only started my cash stuffing 2 weeks ago, but I made sure to catch up on all the weeks that I missed. So from here on out, I will be budgeting with my paychecks every 2 weeks. So I will be stuffing the Fridays every 2 weeks. And for my extra payments, they seem to be every other month. I don't know how I want to stuff them just yet. I was kind of thinking that because I'm using this money, I don't think I said it, I'm using this money from the Friday challenges to make an extra payment towards my credit card. And on the bottom of this one, it shows you the $841 that you would save, including all the extra payments. So what I thought of this morning on my way to Pilates, I think I'm going to do these separately. So, and what I mean by that is, sorry if you can kind of see my light, but I just love how these shimmer. I am going to, so once I finish my June, I'm going to make this payment towards my credit card, and then once I start my next sheet, that will be like the second half of the savings challenge that will still go towards my credit card. So yeah, I'm super excited about this. And these are hole punched, if you can see, for the A6. So I just have these, and I didn't get an envelope with them, so I bought a pack. I think these were like 12 on Amazon. 12 on Amazon. So I have, for my savings challenges that I did not buy envelopes for, or if they just were on a purchasing option, I just bought these. I think these were like $5. So this is what I already saved so far, which was $124. And like I said earlier, I did a one-time payment to catch up on all of the Fridays that I missed. And then another one from EZ Budgets is my Christmas. So this is a Christmas savings challenge. This is separate than the money I allot every month. So I always noticed that it didn't matter how much money I put away each month. I seem to never have enough for Christmas. So I wanted to do a separate savings challenge. So these I did not, you have to pull it straight out, and I forget that. So when I started my original, I'm treating this like I'm starting all over. And when I did it back in like 2019 to 2022, I didn't do any savings challenges, and I just figured that it would make it more fun, and it would just help me save more for specific. So like this Friday one that I just showed, this is going to go towards paying off my credit card. And so I just wanted to kind of have some other savings challenges that would go towards a specific envelope that I already have savings. So this one, I already contributed $20. So in hopes, and when I fill all these up, it's going to be $720. And I just love how cute this envelope looks. Oh my God. And so another one I have is Book Funds. And this was another one that I had to get the card, the envelope off of Amazon. So this is just so this one and the Christmas cards, they're reusable, but that 2025 one isn't reusable. It is still laminated, but I don't know if it's just laminated differently. I don't know. I've never laminated anything, but I tried erasing my little check marks for my last cash stuffing video, and they didn't come off as cleanly as I was able to get these off. So every jar is $5. I'm an avid reader. I have been trying to cut back on buying books, and I've been buying them mostly from Savers in the thrift store now. So a little jar would get me a book. And this, I do not have an envelope. I don't have like a savings envelope for in my regular budget. So I just kind of figured this would kind of be a fun separate savings challenge. And this one, there's no like specific due date, or like the 2025 is by the end of the year. The Christmas one, I really want to get that done by November so I can use the money. But this one is just kind of like, I have plenty of books, so my New Year's resolution actually is to read all the books I have before I buy any more. So this was actually my freebie with this order. And this is just a little March savings challenge, and this is just on a regular cardstock, but I did decide to start doing the challenge because I thought it was just fun. And this one, you don't have to fill, ideally you would love to fill all of these, but if you don't, that's okay, because then you can kind of just make your own amount. And one of the reasons when I was looking at the savings challenges, I didn't want to be discouraged if I wasn't able to finish the challenge, or color in the little boxes or cross the things out. So I really like this one because it's kind of like at my own pace, and they're all in $5 and $10 increments. So I already filled 2 of these, and this is going to be another one that, since I only get paid twice in March, that I'm going to be putting multiple money from it. And also for my variable expenses, for any of the variable expenses that I don't use for that pay period, I'm going to take the money out and I'm going to put it towards my savings, my savings challenges. So now here I have, this is Sticker Mama, and I still haven't gotten my Erin Condren planner yet, but I did get a notification this morning that it did ship, so I should have it by the end of next week. So this is my March monthly spread. So this is the monthly calendar view, and I have the numbers, I have the dates, and then I have like the side note thing, and I have like these little things. I'm planning on using these for when I use my money or like a bill due. And then I have just like my income, and then I have my sinking funds, debt tracker, and weekly spending, which I want to get better at tracking my weekly spending and kind of just like making note of when I use the money from my envelopes. And my only debt I have is my credit card. I only have one credit card, but I still want to use this just to kind of get a visual glimpse of it. And then these were freebies, but these just match perfectly for March. And since I don't have my my planner yet, I wasn't able to put my spending that I did. I just have them pre-put out already, and I did these all. I actually did them yesterday on the 28th of February, but I'm just gonna put them for March 1st, just because I didn't have a February spread and I didn't want to waste it, and I just wanted to write these down before I forgot. And like I said, these were freebies earlier, and these were another set of freebies as well. So I have March, and then I have April. So this is April's. I don't have the little number dots, These actually, I don't know why, but this is my favorite part of doing my monthly calendar spreads, or the little number dots. I have no idea why. It's very tedious, but it's my favorite part. I have April with the flowers, and then my same monthly spread. And then for this one, I'm using this for May, but I didn't realize that I didn't select, because this was kind of, you could have picked the heading, what month you wanted to do it for, and I forgot to select May, but I will be using it for May. I just love these flowers. This one doesn't have the little number dots either, but that's okay. And then I have the same things here. So like I said earlier, that is all that I got from Sticker Mama, and all of these shops are on Etsy. And then my next one that I got stickers from is Caffeinated Kate. So I actually found Caffeinated Kate when I thought I was purchasing from Planner Kate like years ago, and I didn't realize it. I don't know how I didn't realize it, but I just stuck with Caffeinated Kate ever since. So these were actually freebies from the Sticker Mama, so I can use these for like my little dates. And so these were freebies that I got from Caffeinated Kate. And I did not realize that I got 2 Aprils, so I guess I may just save one for next year. So this is this April's with the little numbers. And same thing, I'm going to be planning, these are going to be like my spending and my bill tracker. And then this is the budget portion of it. And like I said, I got May from Sticker Mama, and then I got June. Do I have June? Oh, I didn't get June. I don't know how I didn't get June. I guess I just skipped over June. So I have July, and then I have August. So, these match. This is my July monthly. So I have to make a note of that I do not have a June. So this is July, or I could just reuse I could use this April, because this one has the number, so I can use this April for April, and then use the other April for May. I don't know. I don't want it to go to waste, and I don't really want to wait a whole year to use them. But so this is July. I love the little shells. And then August, I wasn't able to get the same print for the monthly and the budget spread. So this is the monthly. This is the one that I really was hoping I could get in the budget spread, but I was not able to find it in the budget spread. I just love that print. I don't know, it just kind of reminds me of like what you would see in like a nursery print. And I have the numbers. And then this is the budget one. So it is somewhat close because it is still flowers, but that's okay. I love it. And then, so that's all I got from Caffeinated Kate. And now these they just came in the mail. I have not opened them. I know that these are savings challenges, but I genuinely forgot what ones they were. So you will find out the same time I find out. So they are 2 separate binders. This one clasps, but this one doesn't. I just love, she had this gorgeous cherry one, but it was out of stock. I loved it, and I didn't want to wait. I'm a very impatient person. I didn't want to wait, but I do love these prints. So I will go with the one that snaps first, just because it's on my left. So this is from Carrie J Budgets. So, I don't want to share the coupon code with you because that's not fair. Carrie J Budgets. And so this first part, yeah, okay, I do remember these. These are monthly savings challenges. And these are all reusable. these are all reusable, and I guess I picked the 500. Oh, and she even has her name on these. That's cool. There was an option for a 500 or a 300. I thought I went with the 300, but I guess I went with the 5. I think I was just feeling overzealous, but that's okay, because these are all just a flat 500 savings challenge. These are reusable, and so you can kind of pick when you want to do these, and I can do these for like the years to follow. So I was trying to find like different ones for each month, like maybe like 1 month you save all your 5s, or another one you save by 1, something like that. But I really couldn't find anything like that, just to kind of change it up. But all the denominations for each month I think are the same. They look the same at least. But so I have this, and then the binder goes with that. So if that makes sense. So this is going to be like my monthly savings challenge. And then like these envelopes are going to go correspond with the card. So I do like that. And I love the binder. It's not closing. There we go. Okay. So that is the first one. And they're so soft. Like, that's a side note, but they're so soft. And then this one I want to say are amounts savings challenge, I think, if I got that right. So this one, oh, maybe I can slide them out. I can. So this one, let me just clean up my space here. So this one I have like the 50 envelope. Okay. So this is 50 envelopes. This is the 100 envelope challenge. Oh, this is this is 100 envelope to save 5,000. These I was thinking I have some like long-term ones as well. So this is the 100 envelopes to save 5,000. This is the 100 envelope to save 10,000. This is the 30-day savings challenge. This is just a 500 savings challenge. I did want some that just didn't have a time, like a time frame on it, like a time limit. And so the 1,000 emergency fund, I did start an emergency envelope, but I wanted to fill my envelope because I'm doing my emergency envelope is like $20 a month. But I was thinking maybe do it like this way and then fill out my little bubbles. And then you have like the 26-week challenge, the 2,000 savings challenge, and then the 5,000 savings challenge. So I just wanted like different challenges to kind of, I mean, I wouldn't have like all of these going at once because I feel like that's truly is a lot. Or even if I do have them going at the same time, I wouldn't be filling them every week, you know. But that's something for me to think, like, long term. I know once I pay my credit card off, I'll definitely be able to be putting more money towards my savings challenges. So I'm really excited about that. So just look at these. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Yeah, just look at those. I'm so excited. So and especially like once summer comes and my semester is over, I'll be able to work more. And I'll be able to work more, and then I'll be able to like put more money away for these. So that is all for my, oh, and I forgot to say as well that these came with the corresponding envelopes as well. So thank you all so much for watching my Etsy haul, and please stay tuned for my next cash envelope challenge. And I hope you guys all have a great day. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.